What's up everyone, my name is Alonso, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can build your first email list for your business step by step starting now. Okay, so you found out that email marketing is one of the most overlooked marketing channels basically ever, and you want to know how you can start building your first email list. Luckily for you, I would love to show you how you can build an email list that basically runs itself. That way you can start turning subscribers into paying customers, and even better than that, reoccurring paying customers in no time. Before we get into all the technical stuff behind building your first email list, I want you to just realize the importance of building and maintaining a trusting relationship with your email list. No matter what type of business you have, your email list will become one of the most valuable virtual assets that you'll ever own, unless it's like an NFT, but that's a whole nother topic. So let's get back into your email list. Like I was saying, once you have your email list set up, you'll be able to tell your story, promote your products, and most importantly, turn one-time buyers into multiple-time buyers. So now that you know the importance of having a healthy email list, let's get into actually how to build this thing. There are literally thousands of ways that you can capture emails, but this strategy will work for most businesses no matter what industry or what business model you have. First, you want to come up with a good incentive to make your potential customer want to give you their email address in the first place. This could be a one-time discount code, a free report, a free consultation code, a free ebook. The options are really endless here, just something that you can afford to give away for free. A general rule of thumb is that you want to make your freebie be basically a no-brainer for your potential customer. The higher the perceived value of your freebie is, the higher your conversion rate will be, and the more people that are going to end up getting on your email list. To do this, you're going to want to set up a landing page or a registration form, and we're going to have to hop into my computer so I can show you how to do that. Okay, so we're inside of my GetResponse account. I'm going to show you how you can do everything directly through marketing software like GetResponse. This will take care of your emails, your landing pages, your forms, anything that you need to build your email list will be inside of here. If you already have an email marketing software, you can definitely just use that, or if you have a way to do this all inside of your website, you can definitely do so. I'm just going to show you through our email marketing software, which is GetResponse. If you don't have an account or you're looking for a new email marketing provider, I'll leave a link to GetResponse down in the description. You'll get 30 days for free. After that, it starts as low as $15 a month. Here, you just want to create this list. This is just on a dummy account that we created. So you'll want to create your list name. So we'll go to test biz. You'll just want to go to landing pages and then create landing page over here at the top right. You just say create new, and then we're gonna, you have a bunch of categories on the left and you have a bunch of templates here on the right. So what we can use is just grab one of these simple templates and we'll name it test biz. You can see I tried to do this before and I realized that the camera wasn't recording, so we're gonna go back and do it all over again. So yeah, the freebie is basically called very often just a lead magnet, which is something you'll give away for free. So let's say you're a dentist and you're giving away a free guide on how to floss correctly, because there's a lot of people out there that floss incorrectly or don't floss often or too often, whatever. So this could be literally anything. Obviously, you got to bring some value for people to actually want to get it. Or, you can offer 50% off your first dental cleaning. That seems pretty cool. So 50% off your first dental cleaning. That could actually be your headline right here.
50% off.
Is that the correct way to say it? I'm not first dental cleaning. I'm not sure if that's the correct way to say it, but we'll just go with that. This doesn't really make sense, so we can delete that. Get 50% off your first dental cleaning, subtitle. Cool. Tell us where to send your discount code. I usually recommend you make your own graphic there, just because it'll look nicer, but you can have, we can look up. We'll just look up a stock image that we can use. Download that, replace. And that would basically be it. You can really do this with anything. So you could do it with a like ebook download. You can do it with anything at all. So once somebody comes in here and types in their name and their email, they'll click claim discount, and then the next step, if you click right here where it says thank you page, this is the page that they'll see right after they subscribe to that. Here you can say
Thanks. Check your inbox. Discount. See you soon. And we can make this smaller. You could get rid of this. And here I always like to add, if you don't get an email, if you don't get an email from us within the next 3 minutes, check your spam folder.
And this little disclaimer doesn't have to be big at all. Cool. So now you can hit save. Save, and then next steps right here. It'll kind of walk you through everything. That's basically it. Or I guess we forgot to erase all this other stuff that came along with it. Oh, I guess there was already a little sign up sheet or a sign up form right here on the previous one, so that one looks a little bit better than the one that we made, so I guess we'll just keep that. Yeah, we'll just we'll keep the one that came with the template because it looks a little bit better. So
tell us where to send your discount below.
Claim discount. I would capitalize it, but there's not much to it. What happened here? There we go. So that is what it would look like. We'll erase this stuff too. Okay, 50%. This is what it looks like on mobile now, which is pretty good. Next step. This is what it looks on mobile, so make it a little bit smaller maybe. Make that a little bigger. Brand logo, we don't need that. Copyright, we don't need that. There we go. You can add other images and stuff like that too. Obviously I'm oversimplifying the process and just showing you like the very basics, that way like the bones of it, and then you can add like more bells and whistles to it as you want. You can turn off confirmed opt-in, because this is going to basically send them a follow-up message that says, hey, are you sure you want to opt in for this email list? So that's a lot of people won't even check that, so I always like to have it off. A lot of people will fight me on this, but that doesn't really matter. And then day of cycle, you want to make sure that this goes to day 0, because your welcome email where you actually deliver your freebie, that's going to be day 0, because it'll be sent automatically without you having to do anything right after they hit that submit button, which is claim discount. So here you'll just want to hit publish. And then what you want to do is go right back up here to the top left corner and go to autoresponders. Go to the email or to the list. You should only have one list, by the way, which is this one is test biz. And then you go to top right corner, which says create autoresponder. So right now we're going to make the welcome email that our subscribers are going to receive right after they opt into our email list. So this will be on day 0. Here you can select the email that it'll be sent out of. A little pro tip, when you first create your GetResponse account, it'll just be your regular email here. So Alonso Perez, let's say for example it was alonso@gmail.com. So if you have a custom email for your business, alonso@dentalcleanings.com, you want to make sure you add that into GetResponse, because you get better email deliverability with that, and it also makes you look a little bit more professional as well. But if you don't have that, you can either set it up or just send your emails as your regular Gmail or Hotmail address if you still have that. But anyways, subject line, this is just what will appear when your message sends, your 50% discount inside. The shorter you can have your subject line, the better, but you still want to have enough curiosity in there to where they they'll actually open it, because your welcome email is one of the most important ones that you'll actually send. It's really your chance to build, you know, trust with your subscribers. I always like to just use blank templates. And here's where you're gonna type up your welcome email. If you're not a good copywriter, or maybe you don't have the best grammar, or you just don't want to deal with this stuff, you can go in the link in the description. I have a welcome email template. It's basically a pre-typed template that you can just send out as soon as you plug in a couple things. So if you're interested in that, you can pick up the free email welcome template in the description down below. If not, I'll just make an example one here. So you can say hello, comma, and then if you click on this little person right here at the top, you can actually put their first name in there. It'll show as just first name for you, but it'll actually have their name typed in there.
Here's your 50 discount. I can type discount.
And then you would put a link to your website maybe, or if it's a discount code, you would put the code in there plus your checkout page. Different businesses have different ways that you actually apply discounts, so I'll let you actually come up with a way to actually, you know, apply that discount for them. This is a very generic, you know, email. With that email template, very good chance of this email getting opened. But yeah, basically you would hit next. Here, check that everything is good to go here, that you're on the right email, and then you would hit save and publish. Perfect. So now that we hit publish, you see that the cycle date is on day 0. So this email will send automatically without you having to do anything right after people hit submit on that form. And then everybody who gave you their email address will automatically get placed on your list. So you can send a follow-up email on day 1, on day 2, on day 3, and it'll be the same process as I just showed you here. Or you can send just one-time emails by going up here to create and then sending a newsletter. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, definitely let me know down in the comments. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Peace.